Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Teckreview. In this video, we are going to check out the Honor Band 6, which was launched in China a few months back.
We know that everyone's talking great about the new Honor Band 6. Well, why not? It has got some cool features at a very reasonable price.
However, we did a closer look at this much hyped product and its reviews and saw that there are things that needs to be pointed out before declaring this Honor Band 6 as one of the best fitness bands.
We will first show you why everyone is getting crazy about this new smart fitness band. As we proceed, you will come to know why we are not that impressed with this fitness band and think that there are others that are much better than the Honor Band 6. So, stick on till the end as you are going to be surprised at what we have for you. Alternatively, you can directly skip to the other chapters. So let's start with the screen. How do you stand out in the crowded field of fitness devices? By offering a screen that could make your smartwatch seem small. The newly independent Honor has introduced a Band 6 fitness tracker whose centerpiece is a 1.47-inch AMOLED screen for context. Even the company's own GS Pro watch has a smaller display, so you won't have to squint at your stats in the middle of a run. Now let's get into the features. In addition to a heart rate monitor, the Honor Band 6 has a SpO2 monitoring, which is a hot wearable feature in terms of monitoring respiratory health. Like the Honor Band 5, the Band 6 also gets True Sleep, the company's sleep tracking tech. True Sleep is in fact an impressive feature as it provides actionable advice on how to improve your time spent resting. Some users may benefit from stress monitoring and management, which wasn't available for the Band 5 but now has appeared in Honor's latest smartwatches. The Band 6 gets useful cycling tracking too. The battery. With such a big build and case, we are expecting a decent battery life from the 180 mAh battery. Honor says the Band 6 will offer 14 days of decent battery life and 10 days of life with heavy use, which we think seems pretty impressive. Phone connectivity. Once the band is paired to your smartphone via Bluetooth, it can buzz your wrist with notifications. You can also control music playback on your phone using this device. Other than that, you also get to choose between a range of watch faces through the smartphone's companion app. Well, that's about the good stuff. Let's now understand why you might really need to reconsider spending your hard-earned cash on this fitness watch. The first thing that caught our attention was the no-scratch resistant coating. The whole point of getting a fitness band is to go out there and get yourself to be physically fit. If you play any sort of contact sports or any other physical activity, your band is bound to get scratched. Especially with such an enormous screen, it is very crucial to have scratch resistance. Software support and trade bans. In recent years, there has been a lot of pushback by many users and governments on the Chinese brands. Honor is a subsidiary of Huawei, and this company had a lot of trade bans, because of which their PR has already taken a hit. The company's action might be questionable, but if such a ban is imposed, the end user will be a victim of this. Thus, the after-sales support or software updates based on your region outside China might be affected. Data privacy and tracking. Similar to the reason including the trade bans and various other laws in China, your data may or may not be susceptible to being given to a third party or the government without your consent. Although companies are completely dedicated to not let history repeat itself and keeping the data of consumers safe, it might be a gamble that one has to take with regards to this fitness band. It's a sophisticated fitness band, not a smartwatch. If you need something to monitor your vitals, you will be looking at a fitness tracker. However, if you are too busy to get to your phone, you might need a smartwatch. No matter how big the screen of Honor Band 6 is, at the end of the day, it's just a fitness band. You cannot manage calls or do anything much here as you can do in the smartwatch area. So the Honor Band 6 cannot be a replacement for your smartwatch, but a very good fitness tracker. Apps and connectivity. The band cannot connect to the Strava app, which is being used by millions of fitness enthusiasts. Huawei has its own health app which connects to the watch, but again, Huawei and Google have had their fair share of legal complications. If both these companies are not able to come up with some understandings, one cannot expect much from the Honor Band while trying to integrate the features from any existing Google-based apps you had. Also, iPhone users might have even lesser options, so the brand might again take some roadblocks in future reliability. It does not have a GPS. Despite being able to track your path and your running distance, Honor Band 6 does not have a GPS sensor. It actually connects to your phone to track the GPS coordinates. Sadly, it means that the Honor Band 6 cannot track your path when you go for the runs without your phone. Carrying a phone and running might be counterproductive to the very use of a fitness band. Workout modes. The OnePlus band, which has a very similar pricing to that of Honor Band 6, has 13 workout modes. However, the Honor Band 6 only gets 10. If you are an average fitness person, this might not harm you, but if you are into advanced activities, then you might have to reconsider getting this one. Let's conclude with the final verdict. We would say buy it. If you are under a budget and are considering to live with the features available in this fitness band, we would say go ahead with it. The features and benefits that the Honor Band 6 provides are a decent value for the price you pay, considering the risk factors applicable. Of course, it's not like spending $1,000 for a high-tech gizmo and later regretting it seeing your friend getting a cheap gadget doing all the same stuffs. So if I were you, I would still go ahead and get this thing. If you like this video and would like to receive more updates on the latest tech gadgets and gizmos, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.